The best cheap studio monitors for home recording, with hand-picked and affordable options from IK Multimedia, M Audio, JBL, PreSonus. Buying a pair of the best studio monitors will be one of the bigger investments you'll need to make if you want to mix, produce, or engineer music. Monitors can easily run into the thousands for a pair of speakers, but don't worry, there are some great options if you need a pair of cheap studio monitors. Number 1. M Audio BX5 D3. We're huge fans of the M Audio BX5 D3 series for a number of reasons. While there are other speakers on this list that will double up as multimedia speakers or stream from your mobile device, the BX5s are designed specifically with reference monitoring in mind. During our testing of the BX5 D3s, we found them to have an incredibly wide frequency range for the price you pay, as well as other useful first-timer features such as room correction, and even a nifty built-in LED light to ensure you have them set up at the right angle for your ears. If you're putting together a music studio on a budget and are looking for speakers whose main aim is to provide clarity and accuracy when it comes to mixing and recording, then the M Audio BX5 D3 might just be the perfect set for you. Number 2. PreSonus Eris E5. If your recording journey has started with you using headphones or the speakers in your laptop, the PreSonus Eris E3.5 will provide an instant upgrade. These affordable studio monitors offer a variety of connections, and the onboard EQ correction is superb to find at this price point. The Eris E3.5 monitors pull a fairly reasonable amount of low end out of the small 3.5-inch speakers, even with the LF range only extending as far as 80 Hz. There is a lack of low-end clarity in certain areas, but as an upgrade from headphones or laptop speakers, the Eris 3.5s fit the bill happily. During our review process, we found that the Erises are not quite so capable at higher volumes. For a shade under £100 though, the quality is still exceptionally impressive, meaning that these monitors are well worth taking a chance on. Number 3. IK Multimedia iLoud Micro. Budget studio monitors don't have to be large to produce a great sound. The IK Multimedia iLoud Micro monitors prove that, producing a clear, accurate sound from a small 3-inch driver. We like them so much that they also top our guide to the best small studio monitors. We particularly like the room-correcting EQ features at the back of the speakers too, which help if the location you have them situated is hindering the sound in any way. The choice of a 1/8-inch jack for an input makes them ideal for iPad or laptop producers, while the RCA inputs mean they can easily cope with record players, DJ mixers, or audio interfaces too. Bluetooth inclusion is nice and makes them versatile, but judged solely on their monitoring performance, the iLoud Micro set is well worth your consideration. Don't be put off by the size either. These things are capable of some serious volume. Number 4. Mackie CR3X BT. Mackie is a brand which is well known and well respected in studio circles. It's built a solid reputation over the years for delivering quality gear at affordable prices, and that remit extends to its range of monitor speakers. We found that the Mackie CR3X BT monitors hit that sweet balance between price and performance, and offering a great selection of input options, including Bluetooth, with features like a wide frequency range and solid build quality. They have a multitude of uses for the modern producer and music listener. During testing, the 3-inch main driver didn't particularly trouble the sub-bass end of the spectrum, but we were still impressed by the clarity and accuracy of a number of reference tracks we tested. Number 5. PreSonus Eris E5 BT. The E5 BTs are PreSonus's largest entry into their mixed-use media monitor range. The Eris range has long been a quality choice for speakers that can span the divide between home listening, recording, and production. Although the name might make the E5s sound like they're not much of a step up front the existing E4.5s, in actuality, each E5 BT produces 50 watts per speaker, considerably more than the 25 watts of the E4.5. The 5.25-inch LF driver also delivers much better bass extension with overall frequency response of 53 Hz to 22 kHz. What's more, and this is something which is specific to the E5 BT, you also have a handy summed mono subwoofer output, making a 2.1 setup very simple to achieve. The BT here stands for Bluetooth. Connection is easy, and while we still wouldn't recommend relying on a Bluetooth connection for your studio monitors, it's great to have for secondary functions such as home listening, gaming, or podcasting.